Hello students. So today we are going to start with chapter number 10, that is reaching the age of adolescence. So what is adolescence? Adolescence is the stage when a person is not a child, he is not also an adult. So that in between stage is called as adolescence. To be more specific, adolescence is when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called as adolescence. So during adolescence, the person is now capable to reproduce. He attained the capability to become reproductive. He is now reproductively mature. So that stage is known as adolescence. Now, there is a difference between adolescence and puberty. Puberty is the changes that occur during adolescence. So whatever changes that will take place during adolescence is called as puberty. Now adolescence, it starts from the age of 11 to 18 or 19 years. And it may vary also. For example, in girls, it may start 1 or 2 years earlier also. So it depends from person to person. But usually it is between the age of 11 and it lasts till 18 or 19 years. Now, there is another term that is teenage. So teenagers, it is the time period, the age between 13 to 18 or 19 years. So we can also call teenagers as adolescent. Both are same only. Teenagers, which include the age from 13 to 18 or 19 years. So this age is also included in adolescence. That is, we can say adolescent and teenagers both are same. Now let us see what are changes that take place during puberty. So the first one is increase in height. So there is a certain increase in height of the person. The height of the boy or the girl, it increases suddenly. But the height, it also depends on the family of that person. Suppose if the genes that he has inherited from the parents, it depends on that also. The genes which he has inherited from his parents. If the family members are tall, there is a chances that the person will also be tall. It also depends on the food habit also. So during this stage, it is necessary to eat the nutritional food. So it depends on food also. Next is change in body shape. So the changes like the boy or in case of boy, the change in shape, body shape will be, he will develop muscles, and the shoulder part, this becomes more broad in boys, and in case of girl, the waist part becomes large. So boys, they develop muscles, their shoulders become broad, and in girls, the waist part, it becomes wider. Next is change in voice. So voice of the adolescent, it changes. Voice also changes during adolescence. The voice box, or you can also say the larynx, in boys, it becomes visible. The voice box, it protrudes out from this part. The voice box is present here, from which you can produce sound. So that part, it protrudes out, it becomes visible in case of voice, and we call it as Adam's apple. So we call it as Adam's apple. But in case of girls, the voice box or the larynx is not visible from outside. It will be present, but it is not visible from outside. So girls, they don't have Adam's apple. Only in boys, it is visible. In boys, the voice becomes more deep, and in girls, the pitch, it increases. The pitch, the frequency, you can say, it increases. The next stage is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. So, sweat the person used to, during adolescence, the activity of sweat gland, it increases. They will sweat more. And the sebaceous gland, that is the oil glands, it also secrete more. So that is why during this stage, problems like acne, pimples used to occur, because the person is releasing more amount of sebaceous gland, that is oil glands. Next is development of sex organs. So in boys, the sex organs which we have studied in our previous chapter, that is the organs like testes, penis, it enlarge in case of boys. But in girls, sex organs like ovaries, it will enlarge. So in boys, the testes will now produce sperms. They are now capable of producing sperms. And in girls, the ovaries, it enlarge and they will form mature egg. And these mature egg, these are released by the female every month as a menstrual cycle. So we can say during adolescence, the person is now reproductively mature. And he or she is now capable of reproducing during this stage. So by the end of this puberty, the person, it will attain all those reproductive maturity that is needed for the reproduction also. One more change, students, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. The person becomes mature intellectually, emotionally, and he becomes more self-conscious during this stage. He becomes more self-conscious during adolescent stage. He or she may think of the changes, that is all these changes that is taking place in his body, but these all are natural. And if I talk about intellectual, he or she has the more capacity to learn at this stage. So these all are the changes that occur during adolescence and during puberty. These are the changes that will occur during puberty and that will occur during this stage of adolescence.